dance in a wild ballet. We found a shelter from the storm. Your laughter echoed a joyful warm. With puddles forming at our feet, we splashed and spun, our hearts in beat. You took my hand, led me outside, and in that moment we both defied. The world was blurred in sheets of rain, but in your eyes I felt no pain. You spun me around, we twirled with glee. The chaos faded, just you and me. Each drop a note in our own song. In that fleeting time we felt so strong. Though seasons change and rivers flow, that memory shines a gentle glow. Now as I wander, the skies may weep. I hold that moment, a treasure to keep. For even apart, I wish you well. In every storm, may your heart swell. The world was blurred in sheets of rain, but in your eyes I felt no pain. You spun me around, we twirled with glee. The chaos faded, just you and me. The world was blurred in sheets of rain, but in your eyes I felt no pain. You spun me around, we twirled with glee. The chaos faded, just you and me. Just you and me. Just you and me. Each drop a note in our own song. In that fleeting time we felt so strong. Though seasons change and rivers flow, that memory shines a gentle glow. Now as I wander, the skies may weep. I hold that moment, a treasure to keep. For even apart, I wish you well. In every storm, may